Hi, my name's Olivia, and it makes me feel really good that lots of people are coming in to donate their blood. I love how so many people want to save other people by giving a part of themselves to help someone else, which is really nice, and it makes me feel really good.
Hi, my name is Cecilia. It's pretty important for me to be here today because I would love to help Edgewater School and my teacher, Miss Daphne.
Hi, my name is Daphne, and I'm a teacher here at Edgewater Elementary School. Any initiative that helps people or gives back to the community is one that a teacher wants to take on.
Hi, my name is Ashley Dunn. I'm a teacher here at Edgewater, and I'm here on a PED day, taking a little bit of time out of my day to come and donate blood. Personally, my family members all have received blood donations, so I make a point to do it every year, and I'm really super proud of our students. A lot of learning and a lot of meaningful experiences happen outside of the classroom. Seeing them involved in this endeavor is really touching to me, and it shows that they're going to go out and make a difference in our communities.
Hi, I'm Alicia Johnson. I'm here volunteering at Edgewater Blood Drive today with my two daughters, Sienna and Lily. So we had some training. We had to come in a little bit earlier to just understand the ropes and understand what we have to ask of the volunteers coming in to donate blood. So myself and Lily are manning the station at the front, and I have Sienna in the back, and she has to time and make sure that everybody is feeling good after they donate.
Hi, my name is Lily. I'm not old enough to give blood yet, but I would like to volunteer my time to help those that can give blood. One donation can help 3 lives.
Hi, my name is Sienna. I'm happy doing this because I'm helping people, and I want to do that when I'm older too.
So here's the QPAT plug. 8 years ago, maybe even 9 years ago, at the teachers' convention, I was walking around looking for all the coolest scratch and sniff stickers, and around the bend are where all the big businesses and organizations hang out and people don't really check out. But I went and I checked it out, and there's this woman from Héma-Québec. She said, well, we have blood drives in schools where students organize this. And so she explained it to me, and I gave it a go, and I tried, and I told the kids they were excited about it. We booked a date with Héma-Québec. It was super easy. And Héma-Québec loves schools because adults who are afraid to give blood won't give blood unless there's a little child saying, "Mommy, come on, give blood." And so there's a lot of first-time donors in a school because students are asking their parents to do that. So it's just wonderful, and I highly recommend it to all teachers.
Hi, my name is Isabel Colgan. I work for Héma-Québec. I am a blood drive organizer consultant and donor recruitment. I'm happy to be here at Edgewater Elementary today. So essentially our team gets dispatched all over the province of Quebec. Our objective is to collect 1,000 donations per day. And yes, we'll send our team all over the place, but without the volunteers and the dedication of the teachers and the community, we can't operate. It's with collaborating together that we can save all of the lives and make sure that the Quebec hospitals have all of their blood supply needs.
My name's Kelly Collins. This is my 5th donation, and I have given blood today because I think it's a really good cause and it saves lives. I personally know people whose lives have been saved by blood donations. Staff are really super sweet. They sit next to you and make sure everything's okay, and you get good snacks at the end, so it's always fun.
Hi, my name is Isla, and today my job at the blood drive is the snack table. The snack table is quite important because after people come and donate their blood, they can come and have their snacks so they can rehydrate themselves and so they can get energy back in their body.
Hi, my name is Stella, and I'm here to sign people in, and it's really fun to be here. Miss Daphne is very inspiring because she always does this every year, even though it's a lot of work, because she knows that this helps 3 people per bag of blood.
How do I get students involved and parents involved? They kind of come to me. It's really fun. It's like we're having a blood drive and I get to volunteer. Parents email me and my kid wants to, and do you need any extra help? Or I'll put it out there in the newsletter if I'm missing any help, if there's any parent that can volunteer. And I always have more than I need. It's just that easy. And then word of mouth spreads. We have a school Facebook page that the principal puts out there, and the community just comes together and they sign up on the Héma-Québec website, and then they came in. The kindergarten kids color in thank you cards and we give it to the donors when they leave. So it's a fun experience for everybody.
Speaking on behalf of being a donor, I started after losing someone very dear to me, and by weekly visits I was donating plasma. And sitting there, I would come out of my appointments feeling better than if I was at a spa. And so from there, I just said, I want to work for this organization, and now I'm really giving back and feeling like I'm doing something valuable and helping people, so it's really rewarding. You really just need a location, a room that's clean and safe for us to set up our equipment. You know, sometimes schools are limited for space like that, so partnering up with a local community center or a sports complex often works great. And then you need a group of motivated individuals who are ready to go solicit their parents and family and friends. And of course, then you can just go onto our website under the Get Involved section that allows you to submit your request to host a blood drive, and then you'll be put in contact with someone like me, and we'll guide you through the steps, providing you the material, obviously the professional staff to come in, and all the promotional information. I encourage everyone who can to donate to do it and see how awesome it feels to give life.